It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. I went to Bath and Body Works today. Check it out. I got my tiny little Christmas bag here. I love these bags. They come in green too, which is kind of nice. I have to say they did a really good job with the bags this year. I got the lip products. I'm so excited. I'm going to share what I got in my bag. Today is the all lip care day. This is actually a really good deal. $3.25 online with the code LIPS in the store. You need the code. It's funny because I was trying to do it on my app and the code was not in the app for some reason. I don't know if my app's going crazy or what, but I had to find the email code in order to get the deal. So this is all of the lip care, and it's a good deal because some of the lip care items are like $12.95, including the lip cream. By the way, look what else I got. I got to review this. This is free. I had a coupon for free body care item, and I got the Frosted Coconut Snowball because I got to review that collection. And then I did get, check it out, I got 4 lip care products today. 4. I was like, I'm going for it. I don't know. I didn't get that much. So I do have a lot of lip care. So I'm going to show you what I got, and we're going to try all these out. The lip scrub. Oh, the Winter Candy Apple lip mask is sold out. I actually got the Twisted Peppermint lip mask, which is not sold out. Lots of different lip products. We've got the Candy Apple Red lip tint. I've used the lip tints before. The CO Bigelow products. I actually got one of those. I'm going to share that. And then, the Coconut Nourishing Lip Mask is sold out. But those lip masks are really popular. I'm glad I got one. So, lots of products. These are great stocking stuffers. Think stocking stuffers. So, check it out. This is the Twisted Peppermint Lip Mask. I am going to open this up. These are pretty big jars, by the way. Open this up and see what this one's like. There we go. Oh, it smells good. It smells like Twisted Peppermint. And put a little bit of this on. I don't even know what you do with these. Do you leave it on? I'm assuming you leave it on. I'm like, I don't know what you do with it. I've never used the lip mask before. Let me see. Usage. Applied daily, overnight, throughout the day for smooth and conditioned lips. They do feel very conditioned for the perfect pout. Exfoliate with their lip scrub. So, yeah, it makes your lips, it's kind of like Vaseline, I would say. The only difference is it's like Twisted Peppermint Vaseline. So I'm liking this. This is actually a win. I've never used their lip mask before. Okay, so I'm excited I got that because those are normally, I got this thing stuck to my thumb. Oh, it tastes good too. Oh my gosh. It tastes really good. I'm getting the Twisted Peppermint. Those are normally $12.95. So I think those are really popular. Boy, that tastes good. Okay. Next up, I'm going to have lip stuff all over me. I got the Mentha Lip Tint from CO Bigelow. This is Magenta Mint. I've always loved the CO Bigelow stuff at Bath and Body Works. These are hard to open though. Okay, got it open. Let me see. I like these because they do give a little bit of a tint, and these are really minty. So check it out. Oh yeah, like this is a super, can I put more on? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's super minty. That is so much more minty than the lip mask. And then this is the gloss, and it kind of makes your lips tingle a little. But I like this because it's got like the little bit of shade in there. Okay. And then I got, oh my gosh, it's like all mint all the time. I got mint everywhere. Actually, I don't think I'm going to open this one. I may gift this one. I know what this smells like because I got this one. I've used Twisted Peppermint a lot. This is the one I want to show you. Oh my gosh, you guys. I got the Jolly Gingerbread Village. I'm really curious about this one because are my lips going to smell like timber? I'm really curious. I want to know. Oh my gosh. So this is the clear formula. Check it out. I'm putting it on my hand right now. And I think this smells a little bit more like gingerbread than the actual Jolly Gingerbread Village. It smells good. I don't know. There might be a little timber in here. Can I mix mint and timber? Now we're gonna try. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is not ginger. Oh my gosh. This is not gingerbread. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, this is a little woodsy. Oh my gosh. This is so bizarre. Yeah. I need to wipe this off. I don't have a Kleenex. It's okay. I'm gonna talk with minty gingerbread lips. Oh man. So, this is a little weird. It does smell like that odd, like, timber note. Why, Bath and Body Works, should you put that note in there? So, I would rather have a bakery scent on my lips. I do not want my lips to smell like a log cabin. Just not my thing. So, once again, we have that like odd gingerbread timber thing going on. I'm not liking it at all. The C.O. Bigelow stuff is awesome. I gotta say, this one smells good. Oh my gosh, it's so minty. And I'm loving the Twisted Peppermint in the mask. This is great. I'm gonna use this a lot. That's great. So, I'm not a fan. Not a fan. So we've also got Frosted Coconut Snowball, the lip creams. Oh, the lemon lip balm, the C.O. Bigelow. That's a good one. I gotta say, I've always loved that one. That one's nice. The Pearl Mint Shimmer, Original Mentha. That's a great one from the C.O. Bigelow. I got the Magenta Mint. Let's see. The Night Balm. It also includes the sunscreen lip balm. So if anyone, is in the southern states, you might want to get the sunscreen lip balm if you're at Disney. Vanilla Mint, the strawberry exfoliating lip scrub. You've got the coconut. To me, that's like the good stuff on your lips. Like even coconut. You know me, I'm not a coconut fan. Coconut, strawberry. That smells amazing. It tastes amazing. Timber gingerbread, not so amazing. The plumping lip gloss. Oh, the vanilla flavor burst lip gloss. That's nice. I've actually used that. They've got a vanilla nourishing lip mask. The champagne toast. I don't know. Let me know if you use champagne toast in the lip scrub. They also have the lip mask in the champagne toast. Whipped vanilla. That you can't go wrong with whipped vanilla. The nourishing lip tints, the Barely There, Perfectly Pink. I've had the Perfectly Pink one. That's a good one too. So anyway, that is what's going on with the lip care. It is today only, so most of the stores are probably closing up. I know my mall actually closes early. We also have today only, the hand soap is $3.95. And then the hand soap refills are $10.95. Body care, no sale. And then candles are no sale. So this is definitely a soap event and a lip care event. Any new hand soap I need to talk about? Let me see here. Vanilla Icicles. I think I have all these. Vanilla Bean Noel. Yeah, I've got a lot of the soap. White Birch and Vetiver. I don't think I have that one. Winterberry Ice. Where's our Winterberry Ice body care, by the way? I don't know. Let me check out Test to see what's happening tomorrow. Oops, where am I? I'm in the wrong spot here. Let's see here. Let's see. I think is there a candle sale tomorrow? I think there might be. Thursday. Yeah, tomorrow. All candle promotion. I don't know what it's gonna be, but we've got a candle sale tomorrow. Anyway, oh my gosh, let me know if you're shopping the lip event. I think I'm gonna blot my lips before my next video, because this is a little bit extreme. Anyway, great sale today. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.